What's up world, I'm Mr. Vaca, and I know it's been a hot minute since I made a video, but I had to make one today because of what we have here, a special box from Google. I've actually been working closely with Google for the past 6 months with their Gemini beta access team, and most recently, we've been testing out the Nano Banana, the Gemini 2.5 flash image generator, and it's truly unbelievable. The things that we've made with this, I use it in my classroom, in my school all the time, and it's honestly the coolest thing that I've seen. So we had this meeting last couple weeks ago about the best way to do prompts on Google Gemini using Nano Banana, and we got a special reward for going through this program, being part of the team for so long, and we're about to unbox this right now. So it's a very fancy box. If you can tell here, it's got like a little magnetic flap right there, and when you open it up, get ready, it's a Google Gemini sweatshirt. Gemini right here, the best part yet, the Nano Banana in the back. Let's try to do a little movie magic. In 3, 2, 1, hey, how do I look? Pretty fancy, huh? I love the Nano Banana. It's amazing. I can't wait to wear this out to my friends and just show off my Gemini love. Thank you so much, Google and the Gemini team. This is the coolest thing. I'm gonna be putting this box in my office and like displaying it because it's that cool. This means so much, and I can't wait to see what Gemini creates next. Now, if you have any questions or want to know different prompts that you can use for Nano Banana, please let me know in the comments below. I'd be happy to help you out in some of the different tips and tricks that I'm using every day with Nano Banana. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to work hard, play hard, and I'll see you next time.